What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the GM man. I got my buddy Jimmy here.
What's up, guys?
We are gonna go to a auto parts place called 5C Auto. It's probably 30 minutes away. Jimmy's been there before. We're just gonna kind of go mess around, see if we can find any goodies. He grabbed his knife. We can take some emblems off and stuff if we find some cool emblems. But this place is probably 30 minutes away, so we're gonna get down there and then I'll pick you guys up and see if we can find any goodies, so stay tuned. Well, guys, we made it here to 5C Auto. They have a sign, yep, right there. Big old sign. It's literally right off the interstate, so it's quite noisy, but this is the truck I spotted every time I go down to Scottsburg for work. It's a 77 Custom Deluxe. It's banged in a little bit up on the roof. It looks like it's got an inline 6-cylinder in it, but Jimmy's been here before. So we're just gonna kind of scope around. I mean, you can tell how big this place is. All the way. I mean, this place is massive. I'm gonna climb up here real quick and kind of give you guys a look of everything. I mean, it goes for miles. So we figured we'd bring you guys along, kind of just vlog type day, see what we can find. And we're gonna go from there. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna see what we can find out here, and hopefully we can find some good stuff. Guys, I found where all the hubcaps off vehicles come to die. There are numbered, I don't even want to guess how many in here. Ford, Cadillac, Chevy, Saturn. Gosh.
Hey, there's fucking
The back wall back there. Yeah.
beauty rings in the back.
Man.
Semi, Pontiac, Ford, more Pontiac,
Oh.
Oldsmobile.
All over the ground and everything.
So
That's only part of what's here. Look at all the tires right here too. There gotta be like 600 tires laying right here.
if you need a wire wheel, there's a couple of them right there,
Yep.
and right there, and here, there, and everywhere.
There's like a Dodge front dually. We're gonna continue on and see what else we can find. Well, guys, we found the next project. 76 Chevy Blazer. This thing is mint. I mean, it's missing the top, but we can just turn it into a pickup truck. We'll just wall that up. Inside's decent. Needs a motor and wheels and everything else, but why not?
Big body to go off of.
I say that we got another Chevy next to it. It's got a decent bench seat, and I think I want to do a bench seat swap from this style, like 88 to 98, into my square body, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So I'm gonna keep an eye out on, see what we have. Ooh, that's a little, that bench seat's a no-go. It's a little mangled. That door doesn't even want to shut. But yeah, we've walked like
20 feet.
25, 30 yards maybe, and we've already seen some good goodies. So there looks like there's a Camaro there. Got another Chevy over here, so we're just gonna keep our eye out. If we find anything good, I'll bring you guys back, and yeah, we'll see what we can find. So Jimmy spotted this S10, and look at the hood of it. It's literally got the Joker. I don't know if it's, oh, it's a giant decal. Giant decal of the Joker.
That's pretty cool.
Speaking of classic cars, we come across a Galaxie 500 two-door convertible. Doors seem nice. This one's shut. I don't know what the inside of them. I mean,
It's old.
I would just buy them and fix the panels and sell them to somebody that needed them. I mean, the doors look straight. There's a little surface rust on them, like down in that corner. I mean, obviously this, I mean, you can't, that whole piece is gone, but trunk lid looks good. You're gonna shut it and it's gonna hit this. I mean, if somebody needed parts for it though, good door and good hood, so.
Hey, you want a range?
We got an old Ranger here and an old Ranger there. So I mean, there's quite a bit of stuff here. It's just a matter of finding it and looking around to find it. So here's an old Bronco. It's like I don't even know what year that Bronco is. 89. That's the crappy Bronco. But we're gonna keep looking, and if we find anything else cool, we'll bring you guys back. Well, Jimmy spotted a Camaro. We have like a Firebird or something right here. We got a Camaro here. Oh man, that's been through the ringer a time or two. Just imagine that car back in the day though, all fixed up. Oh. I could have told you that from looking at the back piece on it. Look at the tent in the back. Literally just did strips of layers. Jimmy, you need parts?
I have enough parts.
Oh, there's a hole. But yeah, now we're back into Chevy lane. We got like a 03, we got a 97 up there. It looks like a 90 to 2000s model, so we're gonna just continue walking and see what else we can find. We're here next to the interstate. We have a, I'm guessing the 89, 90 Tahoe that's all smashed in. Oh, there's a hole. It's seen its better days, but I'd love to have one of these fixed up.
When?
Listed. I mean, it'd be a pretty cool project, but just to find one that's not all rusted out and beat up would be difficult. But we're right next to the interstate, and yeah, there's a giant puddle here. But we've made a good dent through the junkyard. We gotta make our way that way and see what else we can find out here. Found some good goodies so far. A couple square bodies, Galaxy 500 and stuff, but we're gonna keep looking and see what else we can find. Look at this burnt up. I don't even know what kind of car this is. Dodge something or another, but man, that is terrible. That is something else. Seats all melted. Inside is gone. Dash is gone. Car is just destroyed. And good old Dodge product. I don't even know how bad this side is. We have another burnt vehicle. This is a Charger this time.
At some point it was.
Yeah, at some point it was. It's all, she's all gone. This one's not as bad as that other one over there though. Like that other one, the whole seat and everything was burnt up on it. That one over right there.
That's a Chrysler 300.
So two rows over, we have, well, not even 2 rows. A row over, we have another burnt Dodge product. Go figure.
Bad image for Dodge.
Well, guys, that's gonna be the video. We're gonna go get something to eat now. I don't even know what time it is. We got down here like, I don't know what time we got down here. What time is it?
12:56.
So it's 1 o'clock. We looked around, found some good stuff, classic cars.
Like an hour and a half.
Yeah, Jimmy took an emblem. But that's 5C Auto if you guys are interested. A lot of stuff down here. But we're gonna go get food now. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. That's Jimmy. We will catch you on the next one. Peace.